Hey everyone, Mike here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, the home of easy-to-use and versatile Excel tools designed to simplify your workflow. Today, I'm excited to introduce a powerful tool that batch converts latitude and longitude to addresses, all without leaving Excel. For over 16 years, we've been creating innovative Excel tools that simplify complex tasks. More than 7,500 customers worldwide, from small businesses to major corporations, have used our solutions. Our tools are designed to save time, reduce errors, and improve efficiency. With over 130 five-star Google reviews, our customers consistently share how much these tools have helped them. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the reviews yourself. If you work in data analysis, real estate, logistics, or any field that involves location data, this tool is designed to make your job easier and faster. No more manual lookups, copying and pasting, or switching between applications. Everything you need is built into Excel for seamless, automated address conversion. Using this tool is simple. Just paste your latitude and longitude coordinates into columns A and B. If your coordinates are combined in one column, you can use Excel's text to columns feature or a simple formula to separate them. Once your data is ready, click the Run button, and within seconds, the tool retrieves and displays the street address, city, state, and zip code accurately and effortlessly. And here's the best part. This tool works for addresses worldwide, not just in the US. Whether you have dozens or thousands of coordinates to convert, this tool will get the job done in minutes, saving you hours of tedious manual work. Ready to simplify your workflow? Download the Batch Convert Lat Long to Address tool using the link in the description and start saving time today. What truly sets us apart is our commitment to exceptional customer support. Have questions or need help? We're here for you. You can reach us by phone, email, or live chat at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. And yes, you'll be speaking to a real person, not a bot. Our goal is to provide you with the best white glove service you've ever had. Need a customized solution? We've built hundreds of custom Excel tools tailored to businesses just like yours. Let us know your specific requirements, and we'll create a solution designed to fit your needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like this video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest Excel tools. Until next time, happy converting.